Hi, I'm Haley, and this is my Tech Club experience. I was placed at Eastside in Livingston. The age range I worked with during Tech Club was 3rd grade through 5th grade. The teachers at the after-school program were amazing. They were so helpful to me and my experience, and they ran the program very smoothly. The students were incredible, some of the most respectful and well-listening students I've ever worked with. When I was with the students, we would play games and work on homework before Tech Club. During Tech Club, one of our main and continuous lessons was working with the school's digital cameras. My personal struggles during Tech Club were definitely gaining the students' attention and making it clear to them that they needed to listen to me and my instructions. I'm very quiet, so being loud and authority is difficult for me. Over the course, I grew confident in gaining their attention. My successes usually revolved around the students. I made it my goal to immediately learn all of their names and make a relationship with each one of them. Another one of my successes was the photography lesson, where the students thought it was so fun and it went really smoothly. My recommendations for the program would be to have partners. I had over 20 students and I'm just learning. Having a partner would have made things terrific. Along with that, there are a lot less students in EDU 370. With this, I had no doubt about my placement in the Gallatin Valley, but then I was placed all the way in Livingston. I would recommend stating that it might be possible to be placed in Park and not only in the Gallatin Valley. My confirmed beliefs with this experience is that I definitely want to teach younger students. Although I love the students I worked with and my experience, I know I'm passionate about teaching at a younger age level. My change beliefs are that students definitely will tell you what they're thinking, and if they don't want to do the activity. Allow yourself to come up with different activities and ideas for students, and then they might be excited and interested with different choices to being involved. So this was my Tech Club experience. Thanks for listening.